Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a simple idea with you. There are many ways to learn English. You can learn through the translation, join an English class, reading book and try to think in English. All of those methods are good, but in my opinion, you don't need to all of them. You have only one way. You only need one powerful technique, shadowing practice. What is shadowing? Shadowing means copying a native English speaker. Listen carefully and repeat exactly what you heard. Copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and way they speak. Think about small child. A child doesn't learn language by studying grammar. They keep asking, what is this? To listen their parents every day and slowly start repeating. Slowly, the child started repeating word and the full sentences. At the first, the speech is not perfect, but with practice, it's become naturally. We can learn English the same way. Listen English every day and repeat everyday sentence loudly. Don't worry about making mistakes. More you copy, more the English sentences your brain will be stored. After some time, those sentences will come out naturally when you speak. You can watch this movie on a YouTube channel. Watch scenes one at a time. Pause the video, repeat the sentences, and copy the actor pronunciation and expression. This is the easiest method to improve your English naturally. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.